thankfully, the media would have you believe that we are not supposed to ask any questions about Hillary Clinton. I find it very interesting. The left is out there. I think there's a presidential candidate who suggested that they should change the name of Jackson Day dinners to something other than Jefferson, because Thomas Jefferson was a problematic figure, according to the left. So you have the entire left and their echo chamber in the media establishment going around attacking 19th century politicians. But they would tell the rest of us we're not allowed to ask any questions about what Hillary Clinton did 2 years ago. Well, we're obviously not going to be cowed and intimidated by the left. And thankfully the courts aren't either. A federal court judge, Judge Royce Lamberth, has authorized Judicial Watch to conduct discovery into the Clinton email scandal. And we do a real investigation, not like the sham investigation the FBI did. He wants to know whether FOIA was thwarted by the use of Hillary Clinton's email system, whether they were trying to hoodwink the court into shutting it down before we found out about the Clinton emails, shutting our case down. A case about Benghazi, by the way. He wants to know if there are other Clinton emails that need to be found and looked at. And he also wants to know if the Benghazi issue was one of the reasons for covering up the Clinton emails. Now, this discovery has already hit pay dirt. Top FBI official Bill Priestep, who was Peter Strzok's supervisor, ran nominally at least the Clinton and the Russia investigations for the time. He admitted they found Clinton emails in the Obama White House. Obama knew, everybody. Other documents show the Obama White House orchestrated the cover-up of the Clinton emails. The State Department was lying about whether the Clinton emails existed to begin with. And they were coordinating that lie, according to our documents, uncovered through discovery granted by a federal court, over the objections of this Justice Department and this State Department. The State Department was coordinating the lie, following the lead of the Obama White House counsel's office. So the Obama White House, according to the documents we've uncovered in discovery, were orchestrating the cover-up of the Clinton emails. And the discovery continues to hit pay dirt. We have new documents produced to us. Actually, no, this is testimony. So as a result of the judge's order, the judge authorized us to depose about 10, 11 people. We've deposed, I think, 4 or 5 of them on our list thus far. One of them was the top security official at the Justice Department, the Assistant Secretary of State for Diplomatic Security. He testified under oath to Judicial Watch attorneys. And he warned Hillary Clinton, he said twice, about the use of unsecure Blackberries and personal emails. Hillary knew. Hillary Clinton knew what she was doing was a security risk to our nation. In his deposition, his name is Eric Boswell, he's an ambassador. This is the quote: "They had come from the campaign and they were wedded to their Blackberries. They wanted to be able to have them at their desk where they were working, and they weren't allowed to have that." Hillary Clinton and other senior State Department officials were warned in 2009 that, quote, "any unclassified Blackberry is highly vulnerable in any setting to remotely and covertly monitoring conversations, retrieving emails, and exploiting calendars." I think you all know that, don't you? Your phones aren't secure unless they're designed to be secure. And if you're a Secretary of State, you obviously need to know that. Clinton was warned again in 2011. We also urged department users to minimize the use of personal web emails for business, as some compromised home systems have been reconfigured by these actors to automatically forward copies of all composed emails to an undisclosed recipient. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why is that important? You recall the story, the allegation out there first raised by Congressman Louis Gohmert, congressman from Texas, that a Chinese entity of some type had done just that to Hillary Clinton's emails. Every email that she was sending out for system was being forwarded secretly, essentially to China. So when you hear James Comey excuse Clinton's misconduct with the suggestion there was no intent, how does that square with the fact that she was warned about these systems' vulnerabilities and continued to use them? You can figure that out. Let me know. Clinton assured him that she gets it when he informed her about dangers of the Blackberries. And of course, the Blackberry was the vehicle for her to access her secret email system. And of course, those documents, by the way, these questions came because we received the documents. We'd already gotten the FOIA documents at least 2 years ago showing she was warned about this. And his testimony is powerful because it confirms what's in the documents. Hillary talked to him about it. He swore this under oath. Clinton and her staff were wedded to their Blackberries, as I said, and wanted to continue using them in secure areas because it was, quote, a convenience issue. Oh, there you go again. Hillary Clinton, she said she had this secret email system because it was inconvenient to carry around more than one device. Isn't it convenient that that inconvenience argument keeps on popping up? He and other former State Department employees were surprised to learn that Clinton used ClintonEmail.com to conduct official government business. And he said they were not aware of such activity while still employed by the government. Well, I have my doubts about whether they knew or should have known about that, especially since she had a Blackberry. I mean, didn't they wonder what she's doing on the Blackberry? So these are one of Boswell, again, a top official at the State Department, confirming Hillary Clinton was warned repeatedly about her use of an unsecure Blackberry and the susceptibility of personal homebrew email systems to hacking. This didn't come from the FBI. This came from Judicial Watch attorneys deposing this official a few weeks ago. The transcript is available on our internet site at judicialwatch.org. We have the video. We'd love to show it to you, but the State Department and the Justice Department came in and told the judge that we shouldn't be allowed to release the video, and the judge agreed, unfortunately, for now. So the video is under seal. But you can read the transcript. And we have more testimonies coming up soon, including the testimony of one of Clinton's lawyers, the people involved in the handling of these Freedom of Information Act requests. Remember, it was Judicial Watch's Freedom of Information Act request in the first place, in this case. And another case, I believe, about her conflicts of interest, that caused the State Department to fess up they had the emails. Of course, long after she left the State Department and was able to take those emails improperly with her and delete half of them, or try to.